How do you create nested dict in Python? I have two CSV files, data and mapping. Mapping file has 4 columns, device_name, garden, device_type, and device_OS. All 4 columns are populated. Data file has these same columns, with device_name column populated and the other 3 columns blank. I want my Python code to open both files, and for each device_name in the data file, map its garden, device_type, and device_OS value from the mapping file. I know how to use Dict when only 2 columns are present, one is needed to be mapped, but I don't know how to accomplish this when 3 columns need to be mapped. Following is the code using which I tried to accomplish mapping of device_type. It returns attribute error. After some researching, I think I need to create a nested dict, but I don't have any idea how to do this.
A nested dict is a dictionary within a dictionary. A very simple thing. You can also use a default dict from the collections package to facilitate creating nested dictionaries. You can populate that however you want. I would recommend in your code something like the following. According to your comment, maybe above code is confusing the question. My problem in nutshell, I have 2 files a.csv, b.csv. A.csv has 4 columns ijkl, b.csv also has these columns. I is kind of key columns for these CSVs. JKL columnus empty in a.csv but populated in b.csv. I want to map values of JKL columns using I as key column from b.csv to a.csv file. My suggestion would be something like this, without using default dict. Please note though, that for parsing CSV files there is a CSV module.
Update: for an arbitrary length of a nested dictionary, go to this answer. Use the default dict function from the collections. High performance, if key not in dict, is very expensive when the dataset is large. Low maintenance, make the code more readable and can be easily extended.
For arbitrary levels of nestedness. It is important to remember, when using default dict and similar nested dict modules such as nested_dict, that looking up a non-existent key may inadvertently create a new key entry in the dict and cause a lot of havoc. Here is a Python 3 example with nested_dict module.
output is
References: EasyDict GitHub, Addict GitHub.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.